Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make this DIY wreath. Let's get started. First you'll start out with an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and you cut it in half the long way. So that's the first half of it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with this other half. Just go ahead and fold it long ways like so. Unfold it, and then you're going to make a crease right here, a little one. You don't have to make the crease too sharp. Do it on the other side. And you're going to want to unfold this a little bit. And then fold it in half again like so. And from this angle, it's going to look like a big leaf. You want it to look like that. So what we're going to do, cut a bunch of lines from here down to here, and be very careful not to cut right here, because this is what's going to help keep it all together. Okay, so now that it's all trimmed, you're going to want to open it back up, flatten it to the best of your abilities, and now we're going to flip it. You want to make sure the mountain fold is facing up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to refold these creases the other direction. And again, the creases don't have to be too sharp. Do it with the other side. Okay, so it should look like this. So you're going to want to take some glue and glue only one side. Unfold both sides a little bit to where the sides are standing up straight. Glue this piece underneath this piece. So whenever you fold it in half, this will go underneath. Once it is all in place, you'll see that there's just one strip where there's no cuts or anything like that. That's what holds the whole wreath together. So what you're going to do to make this circular piece is you're going to take some scissors and you're going to cut along this non-cut area, and you're going to snip off the first two loops. So then it'll look like that. So this loopless strip is going to be what connects the whole wreath together. You're going to take a little bit of glue, and it's only going to be enough to cover the bottom part of the strip, and maybe a little bit of the sides if you still have it, but mainly the bottom. Okay, so now that that's all covered, this is where you connect it. You're going to take that glue part and you're going to stick it right here on the inside. Again, you're going to want to hold it down for a little bit because it's still glue. It's going to want to move around. And there you have it. You can wiggle it around a little bit so that you can make it a little bit more circular. how you make the wreath portion. Now for the bow, you can choose to use paper, but I'm going to show you guys how I made this ribbon. So here we go. Alright, so this ribbon is about 17 inches long. What you're going to want to do is you're going to take maybe about an inch-ish, maybe 2, and just hold it in the meaty palm of your hand. And you're going to use your fingers to make the loops. So go over your thumb, under your thumb, over your finger, under your finger, over your thumb, under your thumb, over your finger, and this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. You're going to want to take this part where it was touching the meaty palm of your hand, and you're going to want to move it to the top part of your hand so that you can see a little bit of a hole right here. Now you're going to take the longer piece and you're going to fold it over all the loops that you made in between your fingers, and you're going to want to tuck it right here. So you can see that this is the top loop. You're going to want to take this excess and loop it over the top loop that you just made underneath. Now you're going to want to pull it. Carefully undo the loops from your fingers. And just, adjust the loops to your liking. Very good. Alright, there we have it. Your own DIY wreath. Alright, here's what it looks like hung up. I used a command hook strip because it's very apartment friendly. And I hope you guys found this tutorial to be useful. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. And happy holidays. Thanks.